To start our journey into quantitative analysis for NFL player performance, we're going to need a couple tools. The main tool is Python. If you want to install Python, go to python.org, click this download. It's going to download an installer. It's going to work for Windows or Mac or Linux, whatever you're on. To install it again, just double click the installer. It downloads. I already have it installed. And then you're going to open up a command line interface. On Windows, it'll be PowerShell or DOS. On Linux, it's going to be a terminal, or Mac, it'll be a terminal. So on Mac, you have this terminal program. You can do stuff. I have a third-party one called iTerm. So here's my iTerm command line interface. To make sure I have Python installed, let's see, 3.12. version. There we go. So we have Python installed. Now I'm going to need to make a directory or a folder to put this stuff in. I'm going to create gridiron. Did I spell that? Gridiron singularity. Go to that directory. I'm going to create a virtual environment. Python 3.12 module VNV. Called the new virtual environment directory VENV. So this is going to make a folder or a directory to put all of the software packages that I need in there. To use that folder, I need to activate it. Activate. Now we can see this VENV over here. It means I've activated it. If I say which Python, I'm using the Python in that virtual environment. Going to need couple of packages. So to install those packages, pip install Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is a way to write your Python code in the browser. The browser, you can either use that or VS Code or PyCharm. I like PyCharm. The Jupyter Notebook is nice to keep your variables, your memory kind of static and reusable. So I like to start off in Jupyter. So it is installed to run Jupyter Lab notebooks. We'll type Jupyter space lab. This will start the server with the Python kernel in the background. It'll open up a tab right here. And then I can type my Python code here. So let's do 17 times 17. Let's see, Control Enter, 289. You can do print, hello world, Control Enter, boom. So Python and Jupyter are installed.